Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to export and import templates across accounts in BoldSign, a simple and reliable way to keep every team aligned with the same reusable templates. Managing templates across multiple teams or accounts doesn't have to be repetitive or time-consuming. With BoldSign's export and import templates feature, you can transfer templates in just a few clicks, ensuring consistent fields, roles, and formatting everywhere. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to share templates efficiently between accounts. Let's get started. BoldSign allows you to move templates between accounts using a lightweight JSON file format. The Export Templates option lets you download templates from your current account for sharing, backup, or migration, while the Import Templates option lets you upload those files into another account and start using them immediately. Every exported template includes its predefined recipients, roles, signature placements, and fields, ensuring complete consistency. Imagine a scenario where a team is managing multiple BoldSign accounts for different departments. Instead of recreating templates for each one, they can export approved templates once and import them across all accounts to maintain accuracy and branding. Let's begin by exporting templates from the primary account. Start by opening BoldSign, then expand the Templates menu and select All Templates. This page lists every template created or shared within the account. To export a single template, simply select the template you want, open its context menu, and choose Export. The template immediately downloads as a JSON file to your system. If you want to export multiple templates at once, select the templates you need. As soon as more than one template is selected, you'll see an Export button appear at the top. Click Export. And BoldSign will download a zip file containing each template as an individual JSON file. If the zip file doesn't appear in your Downloads folder, you can click here to download the File option to retrieve it again. These exported files can then be shared securely with the administrator of the other account. Now let's switch to the account where these templates need to be imported. From the Templates menu, open All Templates, then go to the New Template drop-down and select Import Templates. This opens the Import dialog where you can see the allowed file size and the supported JSON format. You can drag and drop the exported JSON files directly into the dialog, or you can click Browse to upload them manually. Once the files are uploaded, BoldSign displays a list of the templates you're about to import, and you can add more files anytime by clicking Upload Another File. When everything looks correct, click Close to finish the process. The templates are now available in the account and can be used or customized immediately. With BoldSign, sharing templates across accounts becomes effortless and consistent, saving time and ensuring every team works with the right documents. Try it now by exporting your first template from the Templates page. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thank you for watching.